Gavana wa Laikipia Joshua Irungu ni oritie Mbunge kwaga kũingĩrĩra ndereti ĩgie kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩragaĩrwo thirikari cia kaunti ni komishona ya ũgai wa kĩgĩna CRA.
Watu wa Commission ya Revenue Authority wameweza kukuja hapa ndio tuweze kusaidiana na wao, kwa sababu kazi yao ni kubuild even the capacity, kutuwezesha sisi watu wa county kuweza kuokota ushuru na ile njia inaofaa, in a very transparency and in a very accountable way.
Augite thirikari cia county na commission ni maiguanire county heyo bilioni 400 no ende Mbunge kanyihia kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nginyagia ciringi bilioni 380.
Na yale mambo mengine yale yote inafaa kupatiwana na county government. Hiyo with the 400 billion the county government ya Laikipia ilikuwa iweze kupata 5.8 billion, na sasa tukiongezea na ile yetu ya own source revenue, we want to have a budget of about 6.5 billion.
Commissioner wa CRA Isabella Waiyaki ni atũgĩrĩtie thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia ni kuongerera ũgai wa kĩgĩna kuma milioni 300 rĩrĩ thirikari cia kaunti ciongereire nginyagia bilioni 1.1.
So far, they are at 1.085 billion. So they are at about 80%, and that's commendable because they are actually the top 3 counties in the country that have been able to be very close to their potential.
Aritio hindi ya mihango ya komishona ino ya guteithĩrĩria thirikari cia kaunti kuongerera ũngania wa igoti. Komishona ũyũ ongereire atĩ thirikari cia kaunti kuongerera kĩgĩna kĩrĩa cionganagia nĩ gũciteithia kwaga gweterera thirikari nene icihe mbeca.
We are supposed to help the counties, all the 47 counties, to be able to map their own revenues. So we'll come up with the revenue mapping guidelines. We'll be able to assess all the revenue streams. And at the end of it all, once we come with guidelines, we'll be able to share with all the counties so that they're able to increase or enhance their own source revenue.
Giribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wakarura Wanyũtũ.